Hey everybody, Dr. Berg here. Are you experiencing tingling or numbness in your hands and feet? This could be a sign of nerve damage. But there's good news, you can repair those nerves naturally. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 vitamins for nerve repair, so you can say goodbye to tingling and numbness. Make sure you watch until the end, where I'll explain how to incorporate these vitamins into your diet for optimal benefit. Don't let nerve pain control your life. Take charge of your health today. Let's start with a powerhouse for nerve health, vitamin B12. This essential vitamin is crucial for the formation and maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath around your nerves. Without it, your nerves can't send signals effectively, leading to tingling, numbness, or pain. B12 helps repair and rebuild damaged myelin, allowing your nerves to function properly again. The best sources of B12 are animal products like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. If you're vegan or vegetarian, consider a high-quality B12 supplement. Supporting your nerve health starts with giving your body the nutrients it needs, and B12 is at the top of that list. Remember, adding these healthy foods to your diet can go a long way in supporting your nerve health. Next up is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. B1 plays a vital role in nerve cell metabolism, helping your nerves produce energy to function correctly. Without enough B1, your nerves can become sluggish, leading to fatigue, weakness, and nerve pain. Whole grains, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of B1. Consuming grains in their less processed forms, like brown rice and quinoa, ensures you get the most B1. Adding these foods to your diet can support healthy nerve function and help combat nerve symptoms. Now, let's move on to vitamin B6. B6 is involved in over 100 enzyme reactions in the body, many crucial for nerve function. It helps maintain the health of the myelin sheath, the protective covering around your nerves. By supporting myelin health, B6 helps prevent nerve damage and keeps your nerves functioning optimally. Poultry, fish like tuna and salmon, chickpeas, potatoes, and bananas are excellent sources of B6. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support healthy nerve function and protect your nerves from damage. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for nerve health. Vitamin D plays a vital role in nerve growth and repair. It helps regulate calcium levels in your nerves, essential for proper nerve function. Studies have shown that vitamin D can reduce nerve pain by modulating pain signals in the nervous system. The best way to get vitamin D is through sensible sun exposure. In areas with limited sunlight, include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as egg yolks and fortified foods in your diet. If you're concerned you're not getting enough vitamin D, talk to your doctor about getting your levels checked. Getting enough vitamin D could be a game changer for nerve pain. Vitamin E, the antioxidant shield for your nerves. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your nerves from damage. Antioxidants act as your body's defense system against free radicals, which can damage cells, including nerve cells. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to your nerves. By protecting your nerves from oxidative stress, vitamin E helps maintain their health and function. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, are excellent sources of vitamin E. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale, avocados, and vegetable oils like wheat germ oil also contain vitamin E. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help protect your nerves. Alpha lipoic acid, the nerve regeneration booster. ALA is a powerful antioxidant that's both water and fat soluble, allowing it to work throughout the body, including your nerves. ALA helps with nerve regeneration by improving nerve blood flow, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting the regeneration of nerve fibers. Studies have shown that ALA can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy. Good sources of ALA include spinach, broccoli, and other green leafy vegetables, as well as organ meats like liver and heart. ALA can improve nerve conduction velocity, reduce nerve pain, and improve overall nerve function. Consider adding these foods to your diet to support nerve health. So, there you have it, the top 6 vitamins for nerve repair. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can significantly improve your nerve health and reduce uncomfortable symptoms. Consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Take charge of your health today and say goodbye to nerve pain.